If you're getting the unable to connect to the server, check your network connection error in League of Legends. It is usually caused by network issues, corrupted Riot files, DNS problems, firewall restrictions, or server outages. Solution 1. Check Riot server status. Before changing anything on your PC, verify that Riot's servers are operational. If servers are down or under maintenance, you will need to wait until service is restored. Solution 2. Restart your network. 1. Close League of Legends and the Riot client. 2. Restart your modem router. 3. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the connection to fully restore. 4. Launch the Riot client again. Solution 3. Run Riot client as administrator. 1. Close Riot client completely. 2. Right-click Riot client. 3. Select Run as administrator. 4. Log in and try launching the game. Solution 4. Allow League of Legends through firewall. 1. Open Windows Security. 2. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. 3. Click Allow an app through Firewall. 4. Ensure the following are allowed on both private and public networks: Riot Client, League of Legends, Riot Vanguard if installed. Solution 5. Flush DNS and reset network. 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. 2. Run the following commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history bot. 3. Restart your PC. Solution 6. Change DNS servers. 1. Open network connections. 2. Right-click your active network adapter. 3. Select properties. 4. Open Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. 5. Use these DNS servers. Google DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history or Cloudflare DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history byte 6. Save changes and restart your PC. Solution 7. Disable VPN and proxy VPNs and proxy services can interfere with Riot authentication servers. 1. Disconnect any VPN. 2. Open Internet options. 3. Go to Connections, LAN settings. 4. Uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. 5. Restart Riot client. Solution 8. Repair game files. 1. Open Riot client. Click your profile icon. 3. Select Settings. 4. Use the repair option. 5. Wait for the verification process to complete. Solution 9. Update network drivers. 1. Press Windows X. 2. Open Device Manager. 3. Expand network adapters. 4. Right-click your network device. 5. Select Update driver. Solution 10. Reinstall Riot client. If the issue persists, 1. Uninstall Riot client and League of Legends. 2. Delete remaining Riot Games folders. 3. Restart your PC. 4. Download and install the latest version of the Riot client. 5. Install League of Legends again. Additional fixes: temporarily disable third-party antivirus software. Synchronize Windows date and time automatically. Install all pending Windows updates. Try using a different internet connection or mobile hotspot to test connectivity.